and wider audience, and also respect the fans na nakabasa na ng material.
And have this perfect balance if we're going to be faithful to the structure of the source material para doon sa mga long-time readers na na-project yun. And of course, you add layers, you add depth to the characters and to the plot na kwento para naman mag-appeal siya doon sa mga bago. At saka at the same time, para din doon sa mga doon sa mga matagal nang nagbabasa ng Project Loop.
Yun, ako si Ibarra, can I call you Ray?
Yes, you can call me Ray.
Pwede ba kaming maghangad ng cameo? Yun.
Surely, I am willing naman po to appear.
Ang gandang lalaki din kasi, di ba? So yun, kaya ako din na-bring up eh. So, I'm curious, no? Ako si Ibarra, ano yung non-negotiable para sa'yo? What's an aspect or an element that should stay true, absolutely true to the vision of Project Loki?
The non-negotiable thing, the most non-negotiable thing for me is the M or Moriarty mystery in the story. It is the linchpin that holds everything together. Kung hindi dahil kasi sa kanya, hindi magkakaroon ng dynamic si Lorelai at saka si Loki. Kung hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi mapapasama sa QED Club si Jamie. At kung hindi dahil sa kanya, malamang hindi rin lumipat si Al doon sa Clark High or well, it will be Clark University in the adaptation. So I hope and I trust that the creative team will be faithful to the Moriarty mystery.
Yun, may bago pa tayong baon na vocabulary, linchpin. Wow! I love it, guys. Punong-puno talaga ng insight. Very didactic session so far. So I want to ask Mr. Ryan this time, actually. Ano po ba yung mga decisions that had to be made early on in developing this to ensure that the story feels accessible to both long-time fans and new viewers?
Basta kami, meron na kaming understanding ng creative team ng Diva One, from the producers to the director to the writing team, and with the creator, that ang rule of thumb namin is really to stick to the source material. Kasi there's a reason why this Wattpad story it became very popular, why it resonated with the fans, and we believe that there is no reason for us to reinvent the wheel kasi nag-resonate na yung story na yun sa fans eh. And kami talaga, we are guided by the principle that lahat ng Wattpad adaptations is the ultimate fan service. May nagbanggit kanina eh, during the panel discussion. And that is our talaga. That is our goal when doing Wattpad adaptations. We work with our creators to find out, like yung sinabi mo kanina, ano ba yung non-negotiables nila, and how we can develop the source material into a beautiful screenplay.
We love that. And with these two guys working closely, tiyak natin, magiging maganda yung end product, diba?